guys, good to see you again. I'm going to Gary Beach, a newly opened beach. It was closed like 3 years ago, then just recently they opened. So I heard like they have some salmon there. Right now I just want to check, and then probably later on,
If you're travelling
next
with a
time I come there,
bicycle, e-bike or
then I
scooter,
will
please use the full length of the platform and keep clear of the train doors. This helps everyone get on and off safely.
okay,
Thank you for your cooperation.
The announcement here. So, yan, pupunta tayo din sa Gary Beach. Then, tingnan natin kung totoo ba yung sinasabi nila, marami daw yung salmon dun, school of fish. So next time, mingoy tayo kung mapaghandaan natin at saka makakuha tayo ng anong meron dun. So, sa ngayon, nandito ako sa Sutherland Station. Pagkatapos niyan is
the next train to arrive on platform 3 goes to Waterfall.
Yes,
First stop Loftus, then Engadine, Heathcote and
Waterfall. I think it
Waterfall.
will take only like 10 to 15 minutes via or e-bike. Ayan. So this is Sutherland Station, guys. At saka yan, yan ang pupuntahan natin. Waterfall. Yan, Waterfall. So 2 minutes away. So time check, it's 1:15. So ito yung bike natin, yung e-bike natin. Dito na tayo sa Waterfall Station. Then labas tayo, then pagkatapos bike na tayo punta doon sa Gary Beach. So 1 hour pala, guys. Tingnan natin kung kaya ba natin i-bike doon within 1 hour, guys. Ito yung Waterfall, guys. Yan. It's Waterfall Station. So the local area map. So we're gonna travel from here going down Royal National Park. Okay. So guys, nandito tayo sa last stop. So ditong area na to is pwede bike. So Royal National Park. Dito sana yung pupuntahan natin, Gary Beach. Kaso 8.5 kilometer longer walks. So ayan yung asan na yan? Yan yung beach na yan. So hindi tayo makaka-access dun, medyo malayo siya. So dadaan pa tayo ng mga tawag dito, bushwalks. So risky siya, guys. So risky. Yan. So Burning Palm Beach ang pinakamalapit, 4 kilometer, 1.5 kilometer to 2.5 hours. Yan ang pinaka 3 hours siya. So medyo malayo siya talaga. Ay. Ayan. Hirapan tayo pupunta lang, guys. It's very difficult to go there. So, yung mga bus trucks. So may toilet sila dito. Yan. So ang gandang gawin, guys, is balik tayo. Hanggang dito na lang yung ano natin, guys. So guys, nandito tayo sa Gary Road from National Highway. Yan. So, yan, pababa siya eh. So, ang ating battery is 3 bars na lang guys. So, hindi na tayo makakauwi dyan. Mabigat pa naman to. So, ang gagawin ko na lang guys is uwi mo na lang ako guys. Hopefully makaabot pa to eh. Mga 7 kilometers siguro. So, yan guys. Yan yung papunta sana ng Gary Beach. Di siya kaya pag bisikleta ganito guys. Yan, no? Kailangan talaga may sasakyan ka dun eh. So, balik lang tayo guys sa station. So, anong malapit na station ngayon is yun yung pupuntahan natin. Kasi paubos na yung battery natin. So, at last guys, nakarating tayo dito sa may lookout. Yan, dito tayo dati. So, ang expected natin na puntahan is Gary Beach, which is so far from here. So, around like maybe 15 kilometers, something like that. But we end up here again. Kasi papalik ako sa amin. So, naghanap ko ng lugar na medyo malapit sa train station para doon ako sumakay. So, finally, dito ko nahagilap. Yan guys. So, kabisado ko na itong lugar na to. So, malayo din yung inanuhan ko guys. Dinaanan ko na pagbabike. Akala ko hindi naaabot yung ano ko tawag dito. Yung battery ko sa aking bike. But thanks God na nandito na tayo. So yan guys, oh, ang ganda ng ano sa baba. Pakita ko sa inyo. Yan yung walking track from Royal National Park. So dito siya mag-end up. So yan. Yan yung dagat, yung ocean, then yan yung Bulgo Beach sa baba. Yan yung napuntahan natin last vlogs. Yan, sobrang lalim din. So ang ganda oh. Yun yung Snake-like Bridge. So salamat sa inyong panonood guys. So yan, makikita ba yung ano tawag dito, rock pool. May rock pool dyan sa baba. Yung naka-square yung forma. Yan dyan. Saan yan? Yan o. May square na forma. Yan. So, see you guys. Salamat sa panonood guys. At last, malapit na tayo sa train station. Then, doon sasakay tayo. Tsaka, kawin na rin sa atin. Thank you guys.